In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view options in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to adjust the layout, choose how your reading pane appears, and set how your messages are ordered so your inbox matches the way you like to work. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and open the official Outlook website. Once Outlook loads and your mailbox is visible, we're ready to customize the way things look and feel. These changes help you see more of what matters and reduce the clicks it takes to get through your day. At the top of the Outlook window, look toward the center for the View option. Click View to open the customization menu. From there, choose View Settings. This is the control panel for your mailbox layout. If the toolbar looks compact, don't worry. Just click View and then View Settings. The options are the same. You'll see a set of controls that let you tailor the reading and sorting experience to your preferences. Find the Reading Pane section. This is where you decide how you want to preview emails without fully opening them. You can place the reading pane on the right, at the bottom, set it to fill the screen, or use pop-out only. Choose right if you like scanning your message list on the left while reading a full-height preview on the side. Great for wide monitors. Choose bottom if you prefer a more classic, stacked view that makes the message list easier to skim on smaller screens. Fill screen dedicates the most space to the message content itself and minimizes distractions, which can be helpful when you're reviewing long emails. Pop-out only disables the inline preview and opens messages in their own window when you select them, ideal if you want to keep the list uncluttered. Next, select how you want your messages to be ordered. Pick the ordering that makes triage natural for you. Most people choose newest on top to handle fresh items first, while oldest on top can help you clear long-standing messages in order. This setting controls the sequence of your message list, so choose what supports your workflow best. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your changes take effect immediately, and you can return to View Settings anytime to fine-tune things as your needs evolve. If something doesn't feel right after a day or two, jump back in and try a different reading pane position or message order. That's it. Your Outlook view is now set up to work for you.